going to show you how to make one of these, which is a product that I am now selling, and we're going to treat my drill press like a lathe to do it. A real 5-minute hack. I used a little hole saw to make a stopper. This end piece on, this drill bit is one size bigger than the hole. So that's the end piece, this is the mouthpiece, and this is the aluminium tube. I made this little adjustable stopper for this chisel so I can come in and take away enough material to match the thickness of the tube. Alright, so I have a little bearing, 8mm, embedded into some aluminium, and this kind of allows for auto centering. Kind of. Does this already exist? It probably does, right? Surely. I obviously know nothing about using a lathe, so it'd be cool to hear what the name is. Oh, fuck. Hang on. Needs to take a little bit more off. Oh, perfect. Perfecto. So we want this bottom one to be able to come out, but sit in there nicely. And that is how to misuse a lathe. Now this is requires one more step, and it just gets it to the next level where the final little nicks are taken care of and cleaned up. But that is what goes into it. This is the full bore 16-speed 1 HP motor. There it is, FBT 8500 floor mounted pedestal drill.
We all know how hard addiction is to overcome. That's why over 3 million Australians are still hooked on nicotine. That's 3 million people funding a predatory government tax scheme, paying with hard-earned cash and years with their loved ones. To Quitit, a product designed to help you live longer instead of killing you. No chemicals, smoke or vapor. No expensive refills. Just pure, natural taste. Using Quitit is easy. Just add some floral herbs, grab a tea bag, add some edible essential oils, and voila, you're ready to enjoy some flavoured freedom handcrafted in Gympie, Queensland. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Quitit today and tell those cravings and big tobacco to big companies and the government like to use addiction to rig the game. But we can break free, and Quitit can be your first step.